Good night. How are they? Responding to stage 2, record to video. I record this video and fulfill the activity. My name is Eider Negrete. I have been working in many companies and I have gained a lot of experience in telecommunication for 3 years. I have been working with the Sote company. I have an assistant, the word called Jose Pedro. He has a very beautiful family. He and his wife have 2 beautiful children. His family and money we went for and walked to San Andres Island. I have known many cities, but this is the best. The beaches are very beautiful and the sea is very clean. We received from the hotel a welcome. We were very happy. Our family really enjoyed the ride. We have a very good friendship. We eat every day. We play every day with the families. He has won many of these games. The day we return, we promise the region again because we all enjoyed it like never before. Tag it. Thanks.